Hey guys, so I'm back and I've just gotten this new drone from Chasing, the Gladius Mini. So this drone actually goes underwater, whereas all the drones I've previously used is up in the sky. So DJI, you guys are amazing, but now I'm up for something new. So I just got this and I can't wait to try it out. So I'm gonna open this right now. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know too much about it, but what I've seen from the pictures, it's pretty cool. So it can go up to like 50 to 100 meters. You'd have to read more into it. I'm gonna open this right now.